Hey Heather, it's Katie here with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds. Like my email said, I live and work here in Colorado Springs and just wanted to shoot you a quick video analysis of how I can help grow your business, get you more targeted leads, and help dominate your market. I specialize in using the power of the internet to connect you with the people looking online for what you provide. So let me just go ahead and jump right in. The first thing, looking here at your site, I notice I love the crisp and simple design. It's beautifully designed. So, but another thing that I notice right away is that you need more content. So, and as I get into this analysis, know that I'm just going to focus on Colorado right now, even though you have several different locations that you work in. But this analysis can absolutely and should be applied to all of the different locations that you work in. So jumping right in, content. Google likes to see between 1,000 and 1,500 words of keyword-rich content right here on your home page and throughout the different pages on your site in order to be properly optimized. And that just means saturating your home page with the content that people are actually searching for. So I actually did a keyword search for your industry and location. So wedding planning in Colorado, and specifically, I know that you work in a lot of different cities within Colorado, but let's just check out Colorado Springs for a second. So within Colorado Springs, the wedding planning searches are between 41 and 70 per month just in the city, okay? So we can break that down a little bit further. Wedding planners, Colorado Springs, you're looking at between 11 and 40 searches per month. Colorado Springs wedding planners, 11 to 40, and wedding planners in Colorado Springs, 11 to 40. So total just in the city for people looking for what you do, around 50 to 60. So by not including those exact keywords that we just looked at in quality content on your website throughout the different pages, especially on your homepage, Google isn't recognizing you as an authority in your field. It's hurting your rankings and it's ultimately causing you to miss all this traffic that's actually looking for you every single month. So the next thing that I want to cover is an extremely important part of your ranking success. So you can see here when we search for that well-known keyword, wedding planners, Colorado Springs, you got a couple different things that come up. The first thing here is the map pack, okay? You're not in the map pack, but what I really want to focus on is the organic section. So when we plug in wedding planners, Colorado Springs, you can see that your site is not number one down here in the organic section. In fact, you're not even on the first page. You're not on the second page, and I'll just go through here just so you can see this. And you're actually in the middle of the third page right here, okay? So let me tell you why it's important to be on the top of the first page. So statistics tell us that 70% of the links that search users click on are organic, okay? So 7 out of 10 people using the internet to find wedding planners in Colorado Springs are going to click on a link down here in the organic section. And of those 70%, over 60% of it is going to one of these top 3 results. So a popular study, they put out a lot of data for search engine traffic, shows this, that the first position here in the organic is getting about 32.5% of that traffic. Okay, this is just on the first page, and you can look all the way down here. The second position is getting 17.6%, the third position 11.4%. By the time you get to the bottom of the first page in the 10th position, you're only looking at 2.4%. So where you sit now on the third page, you're not getting any looks. Okay, no, literally your site is just kind of hanging out there in space. So how do we get you there? Well, the simple answer is that you need more links. So essentially the web is made up of nothing but websites linking back and forth to each other. So you want those high quality relative websites linking to you. In other words, if you have some kind of planning site out of say Virginia or somewhere linking to you, that's going to be a lot more relative than say a Pizza Hut because you don't have anything to do with slinging pizzas. So using a resource that I have called Ahrefs, I'm actually able to see pretty much all of the data for your website. We can see here when I plug in your Colorado site that you only have 4 links, okay? It's only producing about 6 people per month to your site. and I can see what you're ranking for here, and go into more detail at a later date. But I just want you to see your main competition here. The number one position here, when you type in Wedding Planners Colorado Springs, the number one position, Once Upon a Wedding, plug them into the same tool, and just by holding the top spot in the organic search, um, they have more links than you, so they have 35 links. They're getting ranked for 69 keywords, and here's the difference. Here's the traffic difference. So 40 people as opposed to your site, you're bringing in 6 people. So a difference of about 35 people. How many clients could you land? How many sales could you convert, and grow your business that way? So my job and what I'm really good at is actually getting you those higher quality, more relative links here. They're going to drive power to your site. Also researching, writing, and optimizing the keywords that people are searching for. So developing the keywords there. And as a result, it's going to explode the amount of traffic that you get to your site every month, with the ultimate end goal of you being able to convert that traffic to future clients. So Heather, I'm really passionate about seeing local businesses grow. I'd love to talk more with you through some of these strategies. Here's our website, Mr. and Mrs. Leads. Check it out and give me a call. My cell is 719-301-9928.